current hex cost basically is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in a sort of significant manner. Hex cost investigation especially is negative today, which explicitly is very huge. First help level for hex truly is at $0.030. Further appearance how current hex cost explicitly is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which truly is genuinely huge. 23 December 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through hex cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and essentially attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is exceptionally transient cost expectation for hex, certainly is hex a fundamentally wise speculation, or so they for the most part thought. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth in an especially large manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the hex specialized examination, fundamentally let us basically discuss the by and large current economic situations in an extremely significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,659,309,381. The truly all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $54,944,631,622, which by and large shows that the by and large complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $54,944,631,622 in a quite enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they by and large thought. Which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, truly is somewhere near 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25 in a very significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem, which by and large is very huge. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in an especially descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting how first help level for hex generally is at $0.030, truly further appearance how current hex cost basically is $0.032 hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As of now, a truly broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so however prior to jumping most certainly profound into the hex specialized examination, in a real sense let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants essentially move fundamentally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they by and large thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The kind of day-to-day outline of hex, by and large shows that the hex cost for the most part has an extremely descending development with a 1.19% decline in every practical sense, recent hours. Sort of additional appearance how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $54,944,631,622, which generally shows that the complete exchanging volume generally remains at $54,944,631,622 in a sort of significant manner. The value worth of the hex coin essentially is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which especially is genuinely critical. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, so various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 23 December 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, especially made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including exceptionally straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the hex in a significant manner explicitly. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, which in every practical sense shows that we utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly basic moving in every way that really matters. Normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the hex, which for the most part is very huge. Hex financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph, which sort of shows that hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex really has a particularly the closest opposition of $0.036, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would basically support the upswing energy, exhibiting how BNB, the by and large local coin of BNB for the most part, is somewhere near 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25, which explicitly is very huge. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers generally betray the hex, the truly bears could handle the market and essentially take hex cost underneath the critical help level of $0.030, exhibiting how hex really has a scarcely the closest opposition of $0.036 in a fundamentally large manner. While Hex's Williams %R marker especially is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange